YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. I copped 4 pair of this stack skinny jeans from PACSUN. Original price was around like $64.99, and then they have that blue tag sales for the bottoms, which is only $19.99 plus tax. So I figure if I buy, imagine if you buy 1 pair of a regular price, you buy 3 pairs plus save $5. So without further ado, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So I got this almost like a stone wash or whitewash. This one is the active stretch from PACSUN. This is stacked skinny, made in Vietnam, 28 by 30. Got your left and right pockets, plus your penny pocket right here, or coin pockets. And you got the rivets, which it says PACSUN. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand side, and then you got 2 on the left hand pockets. And this one is called the light blue. And you got rip right here and here and down there by the cuffs right here. And this is like an elastic or stretchable. And this is on the other side. Got rip right here and right there. And a little bit right there. Oh, and on the back too as well. So when I try them on, it's pretty, it hugs to your legs and everything. Okay, and that's that one. And we've got this one. This one is the comfort stretch. So I'm not sure what's the difference between the active and comfort, but it also stacked skinny jean, 28 by 30, made in Vietnam. And you got the label right here. And then the PACSUN label as well. So this one, oh, okay. Basically, it's almost a similar style. You got your same thing, left and right hand pockets. Got the coin pocket right there as well. But this one has 2 of the additional zipper, slanted zipper pocket. So it's kind of shallow, not too deep. So actually it's like a pretty similar design. It's rib, and then you got the paint. A couple of the paint. They painted on the jean. And this is not too elastic at all toward the cuffs. And this is the other side. There's a label right here. So it's rip. And you got the paint as well. And this is the label right here. It says light indigo or one indie. Then you got the PACSUN's label, comfort stretch. And this is the back. You got that two at the pockets. Plus you got paint over the place. And then there's no rip on the back at all. Okay. So I figure pick up all the different colors. This is another one. Oh, it's a comfort stretch as well. Okay. And then stack. This is 28 by 30 again. Made in Vietnam. Quality is denim. So this one is quite different because all the rivets are black on black. Says PACSUN as well. Okay. And then you got the coin pockets right there as well. And your buttons say PACSUN, denim, LA. And you got the other two rivet right there as well. And all of them are zipped up on the crotch area. Wow. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on the rib. Plus this one has a zipper near your cuff or your ankle area. So it's kind of ripped right there as well. And then on this side, this one is not a rip. You just make it look like it's ripped, but you got the same thing for of the rip lines right here. And I like the zipper because easy for you to put on in your socks. And you got a zip, the rip right here again. Let's see, this one is a black color. Then you got your back pockets as well. And then same thing, there's no rip on the back, which is good. Then the last but the least, this is the same thing, comfort stretch. And it has a paint. The rivet's the same. You got the same coin pocket. Comfort stretch. This one is 30 by 32, made in Vietnam as well. Stack skinny. Same thing. Zip up. And you got the rip right here and right there. There's like a stitch around here. I'm not sure why. And you got almost ripping right here as well. And then the paint. And this is the other side of it. And this is rip, kind of rip, and then the paint. Okay, got same thing, the rear pockets. Got a paint. And then no rip. Paint. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing for all of this comfort stretch jeans or the stack skinny jeans. Hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please drop it in the comments on below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for notification. Please comment on below and see which jean that you think is the best looking, or if you like the zipper around the hem, or what's your preference. All right, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out, guys.